here. Oh,
Oh, nice, Caitlin.
Oh, okay. Nice.
You're so
yeah.
sweet.
Yeah, it's your baby brother. You're so cute. Where's your baby brother? Want daddy hold baby? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh. Can grandma hold you?
Give baby kisses. He's crying.
Oh. Thanks, Caitlin. You're so nice.
Oh, want to get the balloons?
Are you hungry? Hungry, maybe? Oh.
Want to get the balloons? Want to get the balloons? Hit them all. Get them, get them.